Ladies and gents, how you doing? Today's gonna be a fun episode. There's fuzz on my mic. It's gonna be a fun episode where I show you guys, one, how to use a VM machine, a virtual machine, right? Basically, or essentially, what that does is it puts a computer inside a computer, software-wise, obviously, not hardware-wise, but it's super cool. Once I show you how to use that, um, I will teach you how to get on the dark web through that. And the reason we get on the dark web through that is so if a hacker does try to exploit your computer, he only goes through the virtual machine and can't actually touch your software. We're also going to be using a VPN. The reason we use a VPN is so they can't track your location, which is also possible. I'm sure you've seen that in the movies and stuff. They over-exaggerate a bunch of stuff in there, though. So yeah, we are going to dive into that. Sweet. I'm gonna show you the three things you're gonna need to download. So you're gonna need VirtualBox. Download VirtualBox, right? So I have Windows, so I'll download Windows. Makes sense, right? I'll leave all these in the description down below. The next is Kali Linux. You're gonna go to offensivesecurity.com. Kali Linux is mainly used for like testing to make sure things are secure. Like for hackers, it's what hackers use a lot of the time. Which, I mean, if we're going to the dark web, it's the most secure system there is. So I have Kali Linux VirtualBox 64-bit. Makes sense, right? Bam, right there. And then the VPN that I use Proton VPN. This is just a really solid VPN. It's 100% free as well, which is incredible. It has a 30-day free trial where you can use the premium features, which are really nice. I've debated getting it in the past, but I just haven't used Tor enough to actually care to get the premium. So there is that. Alright, so once everything is said and done, it should pull up this page. It says Kali Linux 2020, all right there. It's weird, I'm trying to point with my finger, but I'm like, wait, you can't see my finger, so I gotta do it with my mouse. Anyway, okay, so if you start it up, right, it is going to fail. Failed an open session for the virtual machine. And if you look at the details, it talks about USB, right? So you're gonna hit OK, you're gonna go settings, right? And you're gonna go down to the USB settings and you're going to unclick enable USB controller. That is because a lot of the times you will install Kali Linux onto a USB so you can plug it in, but I'm showing you a way where you don't have to do that. This is a lot easier. So you're gonna hit OK and you're gonna start it up again. Alright. So now that this is running, let's see. Bam. Oh, that's kind of cool. So you're gonna hit. Actually, well, never mind. I'm not gonna hit anything. It's just gonna do its thing. I'm gonna try to. There we go. Okay. So once it's here, you're going to input. I can't type Kali as the username. Hit enter and then Kali as the password and then hit enter again, right? And then bam, there you go, you are into Kali Linux. Alright, it's loaded now, sorry. So you're gonna hit this top left button, right? And then you're gonna go to web browser, and from here it's automatically you're gonna go to Firefox. You're gonna type in Tor because that's what you're gonna use to go to the dark web. You're gonna hit download Tor browser. You're gonna do download for Linux, and then you're gonna say, well, you just open with Xarchiver. I hit cancel. Just give me a second. I'm okay, I promise. Okay, so now that you're at the archiver, you're gonna see it's probably gonna look like this. So once you're here, you're gonna hit this extract button up top, right? But if you try and extract it, it's gonna say an error occurred. So what you have to do, you have to hit extract. You have to hit this download looking button to the right, and it's gonna bring up this. You're just gonna hit desktop and then open, and then it'll put all those files extracted onto the desktop, like so. And you're gonna hit that. You're gonna wait a second. This should turn into, yeah, there, that. Now you're gonna hit connect. It's gonna take a second, and then bam, you have the Tor browser. Okay, so now we are to the point in this video where we need a VPN. Wow. I guess I need to update it. So what you can do, you can hit quick connect. Nope. I'm gonna unclose secure core. You're gonna hit quick connect. If you just downloaded it, you probably have the free trial version, so you would do secure core. Your first one should be in the United States, and your second can be anywhere, like anywhere freaking on the globe, right? Cool. So there's that, right? And now we're gonna hop back on over here, and now we have full access to anything on the dark web. Hackers won't be able to track your IP because of the VPN. They won't. Your IP is basically your location, and they also won't be able to touch your hardware on your computer, or your actual like software for your computer that you use on the daily because of this VirtualBox. So if you want to get interesting with it, a directory, which I don't condone any like anything on the dark web. This is just for educational purposes. But what you can do, you can go to I think it's called like the hidden wiki. So type in hidden wiki, and you know what, they have a crap ton of them. Just hit whichever one you feel like it. It doesn't matter to me. But basically this is like a directory for all of the onion links. So commercial services, drugs, UK guns and ammo. To prove this is like real and stuff, let's I think what worked last time. I think this worked last time. I don't really remember. Let's see. Yeah, it does work. Cool. So there you go. The dark web always deals in Bitcoin for anonymity and security reasons. So yeah, you can buy some kush. I don't condone any of this. This is just for educational purposes. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments if I should make a deep web browsing kind of video. I'm not claiming that idea for my own. The first person that I've seen do it and who I think does it extremely well is Some Ordinary Gamers. He's incredible. Super knowledgeable, but I'm kind of copying his idea of the deep web browsing. So let me know if you would like a week or a few videos where we dive into the deep web and see what all it has to offer. So awesome, thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button.